How to beat Mega Garchomp in Raid in Pokemon Go. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, People Investment, and today I'll guide you on how you can beat or which Pokemon you can use in order to beat a Mega Garchomp raid in Pokemon Go. Now, as a Dragon and Ground type Pokemon, Mega Garchomp is vulnerable to Dragon, Fairy, and Ice type attacks. But it's worth noting that Mega Garchomp is doubtfully weak to ice type attacks, meaning that Pokemon with ice type attacks should be your first choice for the raid. So what you want to do is you want to use the ice type Pokemon in the raid in order to beat it, since it's weaker against it. So some suggested ice type Pokemon is the Shadow Mamoswine or Mamoswine, the Weavile or Shadow Weavile, Galarian Darmanitan, and Mr. Rhyme or Shadow Mr. Rhyme, Glaceon, and that is the ice one, and Abomasnow or Articuno, Jinx, Regis, Cloyster, all the Pokemon that is ice type or ice type attack, that is, you can use it against Garchomp in order to beat it. So this way you can beat Garchomp in Pokemon Go. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.